7 or 8 months ago, somebody was like, hey, how do we write ads? So in real time, Jacob and I built an ad for something called Cryo T-Shock, right? It's a body contouring thing. And so we built it in that meeting. We uploaded it into the UpHex library. A lot of people used it. I then, a week later, did another video. I said, all right, I'm now behaving like an agency. I'm going to take that ad and I'm going to repurpose that ad for my agency. I made a little bit different video. I did more research and found like a way to make my offer more of a package offer. Then the amount of research we did in a 1 hour call was pretty superficial. So I went a little deeper and I found, oh, you can add in a thermal scan with this because it helps them see the before and after effect. So I'm like, sweet, I'm gonna layer that in. I then took that ad, and this is all on YouTube, by the way. I then took that ad, launched it in my agency with a customer. We ran $2,000 behind it and it got $8 leads, right? And made the guy a bunch of money. So the one thing you don't wanna ever do, is take your client's advice when they want to pare your offer down. That's the worst thing you can do. That, and because you will get blamed for it. They'll be like, oh, I didn't want to offer that. There's a couple things to consider when you do this job. There is a sales cycle. The beginning of the sales cycle for an agency is the ad. The second stage is what? The trial offer, okay? Not the offer, not the core offer, the trial offer. Alex Ramosi just did an awesome video on us like this week or last week. It's the trial offer. Then after that, it's them showing up and it's what happens after. Then it's the core offer. So if I'm offering, for example, a first treatment or a first visit or like whatever makes sense for the trial offer, and if I'm offering that at a discount, I need to explain to my customer, this is your trial offer, not the core offer. The core offer is what happens after they come in, you build rapport, and then you say, hey, here's what the big result that we can create for you if you buy our whole package. Boom. And then they buy the core offer. It's what is the thing, the trial offer that's going to sell the thing. Don't let your clients decide that because they're not marketers. That's what your job is. That's why they pay. This whole thing, by the way, that process, iterating on that process, that's why when you create something one time and you figure it out, then you get to sell that thing over and over and over and over again. That's why we get paid big money when we figure it out.